Hello, I'm in a 2016 Porsche Panamera, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which here you can just start it up with this. And then from your main screen here, we'll click on phone, and then we're going to search for find phone. And make sure you've got your Bluetooth pairing on, so that Bluetooth symbol, and you're in pairing mode. And from here, it wants us to select if you've already connected before. You can try to do that way, or we're going to look for a new phone. In this case, you might need to delete a phone first before you can add a new one. There's a limited number of devices that can be stored in the vehicle. But that said, that we're just going to wait for this to pop up a connection here. Sometimes this takes a few minutes, maybe a few tries. Alright, so we see it popped up there. So we just click to select it, and then it's got this random code here, which we're going to confirm from here. And now you should be set. So now you should be able to connect to music, things like that. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a good day.